Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You might be thinking I'm sleepy. No, I woke up since I just want to capture this moment for this video. But nevertheless, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is MerlinFxng and I document my journey right here on this YouTube channel. Why I'm doing this is to show you guys how my morning routine is, alright? And today is for me telling you guys that this is the day I made the biggest mistake in my trading career. Alright, but first off, I'm gonna take you guys through my routine. I woke up in the morning. First thing I do is pray for a short time, then thank God. The next thing I will do is just to bring out my journal to journal down my thoughts, what I'm thinking, and also the things I'm gonna be doing for that day, as you can see me doing right here. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, please do well to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell so that I can get notified whenever I post. Right now, this is me writing my thoughts and journaling my trade. Yesterday night, which was the day before this morning, I made a very huge mistake that I have never done since my trading career due to emotions. More of that will be dropped as we continue in this video. Alright, so this is just my daily routine. I woke up in the morning. The next thing I do is to thank God. After thanking God, I journal my trade. After that, I just do some push-ups. And today a friend of mine sent me a video that I need to do 50 push-ups, and this is what I'm doing. It's been long I did push-ups like this, and I've not really been consistent in the gym since this year, but I do go to the gym, but not consistent as always because of financial problem. Because going to the gym requires you to have money for you to eat well, because if you're training and you're not eating, you're just killing yourself. So I only used to do push-ups, but today he said I should do 50 push-ups, and this is what I'm doing right now. So make sure you enjoy the video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for your boy. Okay, right now I just want to take my bed and then go to the gym and just do some maybe 2 or 3 workout program, come back home, look for what to eat, and then I'll go detailing to the trading mistake that I did. This is just like a day in my life, but also telling you guys the mistake that I did that I've never done in my trading career before. Make sure you subscribe to this video so YouTube can recommend it to also traders who need it, traders who are also developing, traders like me who can connect with my story. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment, and also share this video to your friends and families. Enjoy the vlog. Guys, so I'm heading to the gym right now. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and I'll post it.
Well then baby, I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Alright, so this is me after getting home. I was unable to vlog my way home because my phone was dead and I was not with my power bank, so I got home and then used my power bank to power my phone. So this is me preparing what to eat, and today I'm just cooking spark and beans. This combo is massive. Alright, it helps in carbohydrate and also protein, and since today is a light workout, I just needed this to refresh my body and all of that. So this is me cooking, and I'm also a good chef also. So enjoy the video and don't forget to like. Alright, so that's all for today, and the mistake I did on that account, I did the most terrible mistake in my life. It was on silver. Because I only trade 2 pairs mostly, which is gold and silver, and I over risked my account. This was the first time in my life that I've ever overrisked my account. And again, what is really my problem that I'm still trying to sort out is the ability to also take profits quickly, because I would have passed this account and I would have not been on drawdown if I have been taking, let me say, partial profits or even taking profit at all, because this account has grown to almost $1,600, but I did not take profit and market came down, took me out. And at the process of that, I wanted to recover my losses because the drawdown was so much. I was left with just $42 to grow the account, and I entered again and market stopped me out at almost stopped me out with $20 when I entered on gold. And what happened? I still went ahead and over traded on silver. I made $100 covering up for the losses. I was now left with $80. Guess what? $80 to break even. Guess what? I still over traded and I went ahead and reached almost $110. This was the highest mistake that I've ever done throughout my trading career, and it has eaten me so deep. I was so confused and it was just so overwhelming, but I've learned my lessons. I've journaled it, my trade. I've journaled everything on my journal, on my trading journal. So yeah, hopefully I will find a way to fix it. Hopefully I'll find a way to fix this, and I need to fix it, because if I don't fix it, how am I going to be a profitable trader? Is by fixing my mistakes and trying to level up, trying to refine my edge and refine what's work and what does not work. So yeah, that's all for a day in my life. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to this YouTube channel. Turn on post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. My name is MerlinFxng. Stay peace, stay disciplined, and stay sharp. This year is going to be a profitable year for sure. This is just a few challenges that we have to encounter, but hopefully we get past it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay disciplined.